classic. I don't cover this too much, but was just looking through some charts here, and boy, oh boy, this thing looks like it's reaching a bottom. You know, if you come over here, look at this one. Look here, okay. Looks like, and this one here was way back in what, June of last year. This is on a weekly chart here, so you know, it looks like it could be bouncing here. It looks like a bottom coming in. All right, now if we take a look at the RSIs here, let's get a bigger look here and see if this was a big, looks like it could have been a big ABC pattern in here. Let's measure this out and see if this works out right. No, definitely not. Didn't get near enough of a bounce, not at all. You know, I thought maybe it was a B, C, but it's not. I don't know what we got coming in here. Possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down here. This is on the weekly. Let's go on the daily and take a look here. Look at this thing. Oh boy, just been breaking down and breaking down level by level, huh? You can see here. Just boy, what a geez, oh man! I remember when Terra collapsed there. You talk about crazy. I was in a position that night, and I seen Luna just dropping and dropping and dropping, and I thought, oh my God, what the heck's going on here? That was crazy. I'll never forget that. But you can see this thing, you know, dropping level by level here. Drop, comes over. One more drop down here. Okay, I believe we're reaching a bottom here. If we look at the RSIs, all right, we got the daily. It's at a 55 and a 39, heading up. Okay, look how oversold we are at the bottom on a regular RSI, 33. Look at the weekly. Weekly is at a 32 on the bottom. It's at a 2 and a 3 on the regular here. We just need this blue line here to tick right up above that orange. Click, and then you got a bullish weekly. All right, I believe this thing's in for a run. Got the 12-hour. It's at a 50 and a 51. Turning bearish right now. We could. It's thing. Oh man. The 8-hour. 64 and a 64. Just right on the verge. It's just flipped bearish, but they could flip back bullish real fast. Okay, the 4-hour. Is turning up. It's turning bullish here. Boy, oh boy, this chart just looks very, very good. It really does. Everything is very oversold down at the bottom. Let's look at the weekly. Yeah, it's never been this oversold before on this. You know, going the whole way back here. Look, it has never been down to this level before at a 32. So it's extremely oversold. The area to watch here, let's take a look at some support and resistance prices here, because we got a major one right there. Okay, to keep an eye on if we break above that level. If we lose the level we're at, watch for 1, 2, 3. What is it? 4 zeros. 4 zeros. 59.07. That is the support under where we're at now. That first resistance is up at 4 zeros, 69.37. Okay, watch them areas. All right, watch to break this area first, and if we lose the area we're at, watch that area I just told you for support. Now, as far as a breakout, let's get a line on this thing. Let's see here. Put a trend line on it. And if you're interested, guys, I have trading classes right now, running a special for the month, $14.99. That's a level 3 membership. You get access to the videos. There's 11 videos in there right now. You'll get your money's worth, trust me. I add at least one more video a week in there, and you can go over and sign up now in the description of the video. Level 3 membership, and you can learn how to do a lot of this stuff. You know, I have 11 videos in there now, over 5 hours worth of videos, and I'm adding at least one a week in there, so it's worth your money, guys, believe me. I got a lot of time in it. So let's check this out and see if we have a falling wedge here or not. You know, this could be a wedge pattern in here. Boy, oh boy, extremely, yeah, it matches up. Let's see here, we got 3 touches. That's legit. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. and it has to be out at the ends. Okay, you can't have it like that and say, oh, I got 3 touches. You have to use them wicks right at the very end of them. Okay, so I would say that's a legitimate falling wedge, really close. You know, we could even take it probably up tighter here, and you know, even a channel. You know, anyway, it's a falling. Usually, anything falling, okay, tends to break upwards. You know, obvious. Anything rising, it tends to have a breakdown. But any formation that's falling, you tend to break out. Okay, a breakout for this thing looks at 69.37. It looks like if we break out of that, then we break out of this resistance here that we have, the blue line, and this thing could really get moving. So keep your eye on Terra Classic, looking pretty decent here, looking like it's finding the bottom. No volume coming in yet, so it would need a big spike in volume. We bust that level, and I think you'll see some big volume coming in. All right, so everybody have a great day. Thank you so very much. I'll talk to you soon.